Unlocking bargain treasures, understanding clearance bonanza. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you might come across while shopping or browsing through sales online. Clearance bonanza. This phrase packs a lot of punch and can lead to some fantastic deals. But what does it really mean? Stick around as we unpack its meaning and usage, especially for those of you learning English and looking to expand your vocabulary in real-life contexts. First, let's dissect the phrase into its two key components, clearance and bonanza. Clearance refers to the sale of products at significantly reduced prices to clear out inventory. This could be due to overstock, discontinuation of lines, or the upcoming arrival of new stock. It's a term commonly used in retail to indicate that items are being sold at a discount to make room for new merchandise. Bonanza is a term that signifies a large amount of something desirable, typically referring to wealth or profits, but in this context, it means a lot of opportunities to buy things at low prices. It suggests an abundance of available bargains that shoppers can take advantage of. The phrase, clearance bonanza, is not just about the sale itself. It's about the excitement and opportunity it represents. Here's why it's appealing. Massive savings. This phrase signals to customers that they can expect significant discounts, far beyond the ordinary sales. It's an invitation to save a lot of money while shopping. Limited time. Often, a clearance bonanza is for a limited time. This sense of urgency encourages shoppers to act quickly to grab the deals before they're gone. Variety of products. With the term bonanza, shoppers can expect a wide variety of items on sale, not just a few clearance items. It promises an extensive selection to browse through. Understanding how to use a phrase in context is crucial. Here are a few examples. I couldn't believe the prices at the store's annual clearance bonanza. I got all my holiday gifts at half the price. Are you looking for new furniture? There's a clearance bonanza happening this weekend at the home goods store. Email alerts about a clearance bonanza are my favorite kind of emails. It means it's time to shop and save. Clearance bonanza is more than just a marketing phrase. It's a call to action for savvy shoppers looking to score great deals. For English language learners, understanding such phrases enriches your vocabulary and helps you navigate everyday situations more effectively. We hope this video has shed light on this exciting phrase and you'll feel confident using it in your conversations or when planning your next shopping spree. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!